Hey guys, it's Lesley Tao here and welcome to my YouTube. Now today we're going to talk about how one booking made us $86,900, which is £62,900 without using Airbnb. Now essentially what this is, guys, is it's contractor bookings. So if you want to hear about this some more, please just smash that like button below on the YouTube so it can help with the algorithm. But what I'm going to talk about today is essentially how placing 65 contractors has given us this booking of $85,900, so £62,900 in 45 days. Now, contractor bookings, if you haven't heard of it before, is another element to short-term rental, which is very lucrative. And I actually enjoy getting contractor bookings more than having the Airbnb and booking.com bookings, although they're also very good. So recently we've been working with a company who needed to place 15 of their contractors on a building project in Cambridge in UK. And they've just told us that now they need help with placing 50 more contractors in accommodation. So in total, that's 65 contractors. Right, so what is a contractor? So you guys can understand the concept a little bit better. A contractor is usually an individual who provides a service or a skill to a company for a project or set time. So for example, in this instance, we are housing project managers, engineers, plumbers, builders, electricians, plasterers, carpenters, etc., etc. So they are people that belong on a building site in the building trade. And in this instance, all 65 contractors will be staying with us until the 24th of December 2021 at a daily rate of £22 for each contractor. So this means that their daily collective rate for 65 people is £1,430. Okay, so they're staying with us now until the 24th of December, which is when we break for Christmas break, and they will be back again with us on the 4th of January 2022. So this booking is actually worth more than the $85,000 or the £62,000. Yeah. So although some of the contractors have already been placed in accommodation with us at the end of October, our total revenue for this booking until the 24th of December 2021, so it's roughly $85,900, which is £62,900, and this is a phenomenal booking for us. My 5 favorite things about contractor bookings are as follows. Number 1, you are dealing with one company, so this is a business-to-business transaction, also known as B2B, and this makes the payment, the communication, the paperwork much smoother and very professional. So payment in this instance is made directly to our bank account, so there are no Stripe fees or card processing fees on top that we need to pay, so that's fantastic. My second favorite thing about contractor bookings is contractors are happy to share a room together in this case. So we've been able to offer properties and put 2 beds into a double room, for example, for them so they can share a room. But we've kept single rooms at, with one bed, so single occupancy. So that's really good because it's a good use of space, and that means that we don't need to keep on providing lots of houses, so it reduces our costs. My favorite thing about contractor bookings, number 3, is that as the contractors are staying with us until the 24th of December, and then they go on a break, and then they come back again on the 4th of Jan, it means that we don't have to change linen or do a deep clean until they leave, which minimizes massively our cleaning turnover. So as a business, I only found out about a week ago that our turnover in terms of cleaning turnover every week is between 50 to 80 cleaning turnover, so that's quite a lot. So this will reduce the amount of cleaning turnovers we have to do. My favorite factor, number 4, is that there's no disturbances to neighbors unless the contractors decide to have a raging party one night. So what happens when you are in the short-term booking industries, okay, so usually if you rent your property out via Airbnb, for example, there's going to be the occasional party, especially if you're advertising a house that can sleep up to 5 people or more. So occasionally we might have a road party, and that really pisses the neighbours off. But in this instance, since everyone's working, they usually, if they're contractors, they're out the door by about 5 a.m, 6 a.m. So, and then they come back after work, and they just want to rest. So usually there aren't any crazy parties going on that we've experienced in the past. Okay. And lastly, my favorite thing, number 5, about contractor bookings is that there are no platform more agency fees to pay. So usually you would be expected to pay at least a 10 to 15% to either an agency or Airbnb if they came via that platform as a commission or a service fee for the booking. But as this is a direct booking, these fees don't apply, so that's a massive plus. So hoping that you guys are enjoying the information about contractor bookings I've got for you. So I've got a last sort of afterthought, which I'm going to throw at you guys. How does Airbnb and a platform such as Booking.com fit into all of this? Well, the simple answer is that they don't. However, due to how they rank on Google, so their SEO rankings, which is really high, especially Booking.com, because I think they pump like thousands, millions of pounds into their marketing per year. They're always going to be ranking, at number 1 or number 2 on Google. And it's a great place for you to showcase your property. So by advertising on Airbnb, so advertising your properties even on Airbnb or Booking.com, it's giving more exposure for your property so more people will see it. And most likely, one of the first places these type of contract bookings will come from is through one of these websites initially. Now, my final thoughts are, if you are interested in me talking about contractor bookings some more, do let me know in the commentary section below. I think this is probably my first video on contractor bookings, so I haven't actually given you guys much details or many tips on how you get them in the first place, but if that is of interest to you, let me know and I'll make a video to give you guys like my top tips on how you can get a contractor booking like we've got, because it's not bad, isn't it? Making $86,900, which is £62,900 for a 45-day booking. That's fantastic. So if you guys want to find out how we go about securing these bookings, give me a shout on the commentary section below and I'll make a video. So I hope that you guys are enjoying my 2021 video so far. What else to tell you before I go, which is, in case you're seeing me slouch really weirdly in my videos, because guys, I've got a secret to tell you, because I haven't told everyone yet, which is I've got a second baby on the way, and hence I've been offline for a while, but it's good to be back. So do leave your feedback on this video and I'm looking forward to catching up with you guys in the next one. Lots of love. Bye.